first off, global warming is real and it's our fault, and we must do something about it. And speaking from myself, it's sort of my generation and my parents' generation that got us in this pickle, and these young students are the ones who are going to get us out. One of the ways we're going to get out is with wind energy, and one of the things I teach is that wind energy is a competitive, mainstream source of electricity for the world now. And it remains, next to natural gas, the lowest cost new source of energy. The students there are part of the Wind and Solar Systems Design class, which is a senior/graduate level elective. They were playing with, I actually have one here, this guy. This is the generator portion of a small wind turbine that we have an example of actually on the roof of Durland. It's only a 160 watt machine, so when it's spinning in high wind, which is rarely, then it would be generating enough power to light 2 or 3 incandescent light bulbs. It's meant for use on a boat or an RV in a rural place for charging batteries for radios and that sort of thing.
How many RPMs are you at?
300, 300.
Start going up in steps of 50.
What they can see with it stripped out and open like this, all of the electronics is missing, and of course the blades, which go in here, and the tail, which comes out here, are missing. But they can see the magnets and they can see the windings. And then what they're doing is simulating the wind by spinning the thing and then measuring how much power they get out. So they will be able to make a power curve, which is the first characteristic assessment that you get of any wind turbine. How much power does it make at what wind speed? They think it's really cool. It makes them more confident that they can pull off anything in a lab. And they can feel relatively safe working around high power stuff. So even if they don't immediately roll directly into the wind industry, students in the power industry need to understand how wind turbines work, how to integrate them into grid, how to deal with the fact that they don't generate energy on order. You can't order the turbines to produce this much power. You get what you get when you get it. But it is predictable, and there are grid means of dealing with its variability, and that's part of what I teach them.